Nominated to Nigerians of integrity as National Commissioners of Independence.
The Vice Chairman, Honorable Ministers, is divided into two parts.
And Professor Sunday Nwambam Aja from Electoral.
State House, the name of the President, please proceed.
The Vice President, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, our Commissioners, designates and their guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, exercise of the powers conferred on you by Section Integrity and Compliance within government institutions. Mr. President, born 7th March 1966 at Easy Local Government Area of Kenneth Ndem from Cross River, as well as Honorable Justice Buba Ibrahim Yusuf. Born July 2, 1965 at Bakuri Local Government Area of and a Master in Development Studies from Leeds University of England. Assistant Chief Admin Officer in 1995 at INEC, the road spread around to the city in various states of INEC and has been active from 2011 to 2023. Administration and planning, having obtained PhD in the same field and teaching practice program and was a member of the governing council of Dave Umahi University of Health Sciences, Uburu, and the prestigious Sopo Training Institute, Calabar in 1989. He, however, transferred his services to the Code of Conduct Bureau as a principal allegations of corruption, petitions on abuse of office against public officers, and researching into social trends that affect morality in the Honorable Justice Ibrahim Buba time. Born on the 1st of January 1958 in Savannah,
Okay, ready? Yes. Okay, we are here today basically for the swearing in of two national commissioners. As you are aware, the commission is made up of a chairman and 12 national commissioners, drawn on the basis of 2 commissioners per geopolitical zone. So vacancies existed for the Northwest and the Southeast. And the Senate has screened and confirmed the nominees, and Mr. President today performed the swearing in. So we have almost the full complements of the commissioners of the commission. As we are aware also, about 2 weeks ago or so, we lost one of our commissioners, Major General Al-Ghali, may his soul rest in peace. So now we have almost the full complements of commissioners. On electoral reform, we have been interfacing with the National Assembly. 2 weeks ago, we had a retreat in Lagos with the Joint Committee of the Senate and House of Representatives on electoral reform. Thereafter, the National Assembly is going to organize a public hearing, and it's after the public hearing that now a new bill will at the end of the day be submitted to the President for assent. So we're working with the National Assembly on electoral reform. But at this point, I'm not going to give you any more details. You will hear it from the National Assembly whose responsibility it is. But we reviewed the 2023 general elections on our own. We engaged with the stakeholders. We came up with 142 recommendations. Out of these 142 recommendations, 8 require constitutional or electoral act amendment. And we discussed this with members of the National Assembly. So far, so good. We are happy with our discussions with them, and we are also happy with the speed with which they want to proceed, so that we'll have some necessary amendments done to the Electoral Act ahead of the 2027 general elections.
Mr. Chairman, sir,
thank you very much.
There has been controversy about your tenure in office. At some point, there were even speculations that you were sacked. Please, can you speak to this, sir?
No. This one, I don't think we need to waste time so much about these unnecessary speculations. As far as the law is concerned, and as far as I'm aware, I remain the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, and under the Constitution, the Chief Electoral Commissioner of the Federation, and under the Electoral Act, the returning officer for the presidential election. I hope I've answered your question. Thank you. Hukumar zaɓe tana da shugaba, wato chairman, da kuma kwamishinoni 12. To akwai kwamishinoni 2 waɗanda wa'adinsu ya ƙare. Ɗaya yana wakiltar arewa maso yamma, ɗaya kuma yana wakiltar kudu maso gabas. To mai girma shugaban ƙasa ya tura sunayensu don a tantance a amince da su a majalisar dattawa. Majalisar dattawa ta tantance ta amince da su. Shi ne aka tura da sunayensu kwamishinonin guda 2 yau. To bisa tsari